All right, YouTube world. Estamos aquí in the Young Bird show, Tippler Show, last show of the season. For December, you got Judge Marvin, Judge Tommy. You got the spectators here. Solo Boricua, and Italian New Flow, Robert, Padilla, B-Rod 681. Everyone's out here. It's a cool day, but we're going to enjoy ourselves. Keep moving so you can stay warm. 54 degrees here in Florida. Anyone want to get a frosty cold beverage? Got the two judges, Tippler judges. You have Marvin, you have Tommy. Don't let any of these champs out. Right, Tommy?
You know, the fact that they had like a swamp meet here, and it was real windy, and they had a lot of birds here, and blew the cages over.
Really?
And probably over a dozen birds got out.
Oh.
And they were flying around here and stuff like that.
Oh, I would have been sick to my stomach.
I know. Because a lot of them weren't flying type birds. They were sitting up in the trees.
Hawks had a feast out here.
Yeah.
Yo.
That's a pink band, that's a hen. One of yours, ain't it?
No, it's a cock. It was cooing. This got a pink band, but it was cock.
Sure wasn't cursing.
Marvin's looking for the package.
Basura! Let that hen and see how it is.
Here we go.